rough in a circle. Hello artists, we have another request for a big cat in a looser style, so let's get drawing a tiger. And now I draw another circle. It's a little bit closer to the top. And inside that I put a triangle that connects the eyes to the nose. 2 small circles for the eyes. And a triangle for the nose. This oval is where the forehead will go. 2 circles for the cheeks. And some bigger ones just under the nose for the top of the mouth. We'll put some guidelines in for ears. I'll make those eyes a little larger now. And an oval for the lower jaw. 2 lines for the body. With the guidelines done, let's get to some details. Draw a curved line and make it quite thick. That's the top of the eye. A circle underneath. And a thick line underneath that. Let's draw the pupil and color in the eye lightly. This T shape will be the nose. And a little line in the middle. Let's color underneath that in kind of a heart shape. Draw a line for the side of the nose. There's a little mountain peak for the mouth. Make that line thick. And you can color it in a bit. 2 lines for the side of the mouth. Let's get to outlining the head now. Use a wavy line or a jagged line here. You can go around for the ears. Keep that jagged line going all the way around. Notice the points face down. This, of course, is fur. Those lines are longer toward the bottom. And do the same thing for the chin. Let's do some shading between the eyes and the nose on both sides. Using the side of my pencil, and shade the forehead and the nose. Draw a curved line for the top of the nose. You can put little details in the fur if you want, like this. You don't have to. Under the eye, draw this curved line. Now I'm going to mark out where I want to put some stripes. Okay, back to the side of the pencil, and with a lot of pressure, we're going to make some really thick, broad lines for the stripes. Color in above the eyebrow. Whatever you do on one side, you can do on the other, but they don't have to be perfectly symmetrical. 2 thinner lines on the forehead, and then add some more. Draw a center line with these little ovals. And it's kind of an end shape. Line here, there's another oval here, and 2 more on the forehead. Let's move to the side of the eye here. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Let's put a thick line around the ears and color in the center of the ears. Now we'll put some stripes on the cheek and down the side of the nose. Another one on the side of the head. These lines will be where the whiskers will go. Now draw a thick, wavy line on each side. Color in just under the top of the mouth on both sides. We'll draw some stripes on the body now. With the tip of your pencil, flick in some whiskers. I'll just outline some more of the hair. Notice all the different ways you can use your pencil. From the tip to the side, light pressure to heavy pressure. Back to the side of my pencil, and darken the nose and the forehead. Come around just under the eye on both sides. And color in the body. Finally, I'll add some details just in the mouth. Thank you all for your continued support. I will see you in the next one.